I'm gonna cook fish and chips tonight, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna make the batter for the fish. Half cup of water, quarter of a cup of tonic water, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, half a handful of chopped parsley, white pepper, salt, three tablespoons of plain flour, and 3 tablespoons of self-rising flour. Whisk it. Perfect. This is the fillet of fish. I cut in pieces. Take it like this, put in the batter. And put in the fry pan. The oil, it's half olive oil and half rice oil. Check it when the fish is brown from one side and turn them over. By the way, this fillet of fish I fry now, it's called a basa fish. Basa fillet, but you can do the same with any fillet of fish. Now it's ready, I take it out. And I'll put some more. Next lot ready. Nice golden brown. I'll fry the fish in the same oil, the calamari ring, but this already breadcrumb. Leave it until it's golden brown and take it out. Calamari ready to take him out. The reason I use rice oil, it's good because it doesn't suck too much oil when you cook. And I mix with olive oil, give it more flavor. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil for the chips. And that's olive oil. The chips already boil a little bit, and I'll put the salt in the water. Now I'm gonna fry. Some of the chips are ready, I take it out. They're nice golden brown. And put a bit of chicken salt on the chips. This is what it looks like in my fish and chips and calamari. That's Gracie special. Let's eat it.